Today we're going to play that Hill Climb Racing 2 game. Let's see how we do this time. Alright, let's load that little guy. Y'all racing this game? A lot of different cars and stuff. I try to find a car I can drive. Go check it out. I got a lot more of these up there under the playlist racing. Go check it out. A lot more up there, a lot more coming. Wanderer class. Hill climb. I kind of like that little sports car. Dune buggy. We'll do the dune buggy this time. See how we can do. Alright, here we go. Drive as far as you can. Yeah, they must have seen me drive before. Here we go. Get those coins. That's me over there on the other side too. I'm racing me. How do they do that? Me racing me. BWC me in a sports car. I don't know how they do that, but actually I'm the one in the dune buggy this time. That's a fan of me in the sports car. Whoa, 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 hit that brake. Oh, hit that brake. There we go. Got the gas, alright. Coins. Get those guys. Wheelie! Boom. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hit the brake to keep them turning over backwards. Got the gas, alright. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I didn't hit the brake in time. Drive her down. Alright, let's try again here. Wanderer first class. Okay, got a new rank. 5,000 coins. Look at that little guy. Woo. Monster truck. I'm not real sure we need a monster truck in here yet, though. 30,000 coins. Bus, buggy. There's the sports car. I seem to drive that sports car pretty good. Let's see what we can do this time. Here we go. Here, go, 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 and go. BWC, that's me, BWC. Yeah. That's me in the other one, sports car there too, so I'm in here twice, looks like. I don't know how they do that or why it does that. Gasoline, yeah, get that gas. You run out of gas, you stop and lose the race. Uh-oh, I just passed me. Now I'm back in the lead over me. Oh, I passed me again. I don't know how they do that. Why it does that. I got the coins. Hit that brake, keep them turning over backwards when you're doing a wheelie. If you turn over forward, hit the gas. There's a cow. Out of the way, cows. See a lot of cows around here where I live out in the street too. They get out, you have to round them up. Come on, Wayne, you gotta beat BWC over there. Got some coins. I'm beginning to pass. I think I may have passed me. I might be in the lead in front of me. Whoa, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Pretty close here. Gasoline. Get that gas. Oh no. Ooh. Hit that brake. Keep turning over backwards. You get points for wheelies, but you're not careful. You can flip over backwards and lose the race. Whoop. After you drive this a little while, you figure out how to keep it level when you're in the air. Oh, gasoline. Yep. Whoop. Slid down that hill or rear end, didn't I? Uh-oh, he passed me again. I guess they couldn't find anybody that could keep up with me, so they used me again. Oh no. See if we can do this again now. Here we go. Now, go up that hill. Go, 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 go. Woo! Low on gas. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of gas. Yep, out of fuel. Well, ran out of gas. Special offer. Countryside. We'll upgrade the suspension on the hill climber. See what we can do with a hill climber. We upgraded the suspension, see if that helps. Well, me and the sports car seems to be leading here. I lost my roll cage. Couldn't get it back over. Uh-oh, I crashed. The other two me's are still going though. Well, we're not doing too good right now, are we? Guess we better stay with that sports car. Seems to be the best car for me so far. Tires, better grip. Okay. Here we go. Me in the sports car and me in the hill climber. I guess if you can't find anybody to race me, they just race me again. Get that gas, yeah. See that gas pedal on the right over there on the screen? The brakes on the left over there. It's like a regular car. Hit that brake. You're pulling a big wheelie, hit that brake and it'll level you back down. If you're in the air and going over forward, hit the gas and it'll level you up. Spending most of the time on my rear, aren't I? Here we go, get those coins. We got gas coming up over here. There it is. Get that gasoline. Yeah. I seem to be trailing me, don't I? Do y'all have this trouble with you're in 2 or 3 different cars in a race? Leave me a comment and let me know if it's doing it to you like this too. Which car is your favorite car? I kind of like this sports car. Oh, we got a big hill. Hope we don't go back down. Yeah, we got over it. Okay. Ooh. Big wheelie. Come on, BWC. That's me in the lead. Uh-oh. See if we can get up this hill now. Go, 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 go. Got up there, okay. But the other BWC passed me. Gasoline, yeah. This may be the last race we do today, but we're going to come back and play some more later. Y'all go check out my playlist. Racing, car racing. We got a lot more up there and a lot more coming. Not only this game, we got other racing games. One you want to see me try, leave me a comment. I'll see if I can get it. Oh, it's a long race, man. Woo. Another wheelie. We get points for those wheelies though. Uh-oh. What happened? Just kind of stopped, didn't I? Oh, the other BWC just crashed. Go, 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 go. Well, here we go. Means we run out of fuel here. We can't get up that hill to get to the fuel. Yep. Happens every time. Can't get up a hill and you run out of fuel. I think that's about it for today. Hey, we got some prize here, okay. Y'all check out the playlist. See the other games up there, got a lot more of them. I think it's time to call it a day. We'll come back to the phone and see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.